Hi, I'm Tania, watercolor artist, designer, and your cheerleader here at Tania Miller Art. Today I want to share something a little more personal, the real story behind how and why I created my brush practice sheets. This isn't a tutorial. It's more of a heart to heart because I know what it feels like to love painting and still feel completely lost in it. When I first started painting, I thought the goal was to make something beautiful, something finished, something that looked like the artists I admire on Instagram or YouTube. So I painted along with tutorials, followed every step, copied styles I loved, and honestly, I loved everything I made. Every piece felt like a little victory, a small miracle that I could create something so pretty with my own hands. But over time, I started to feel a quiet ache inside. Because even though my paintings looked lovely, they didn't feel like me. I didn't realize it right away. I kept thinking, maybe I just need one more class. No. One more tutorial. No. One more brush. Ah. But the truth was, I wasn't lost in technique. I was lost in imitation. And there is nothing wrong with learning that way. Not at all. But what I didn't know was that there is a safe space between learning from others and learning yourself. And when I sat down to paint without guidance, no tutorial, no example, I froze. Just me on the blank page that felt heavier than it should. That's when I realized I didn't yet trust my own instincts. I love painting, but I wasn't sure I loved my way of painting. One day, I decided to stop trying to paint something. I just wanted to feel the brush again. I dip it in water, move it across the paper, and I started to notice little things. How the tip dance differently depending on the angle. How the water bloomed into soft edges. The rhythm my hand created when I let go of control. I wasn't painting flowers or landscapes anymore. I was painting a feeling. That's when I started making small exercises. Lines, circles, waves, little shapes. Not to make art, but to understand it. And without realizing it, those pages became the first version of my brush practice sheets. They weren't a product idea. They were my way of finding myself again, one brush stroke at a time. As I kept practicing, those sheets became part of my daily ritual, a small pocket of calm, curiosity, and connection with myself. And through them, I learned that practice isn't repetition, it's listening. Freedom without pressure. Confidence through repetition, not perfection. A deeper relationship with your tools. Time to connect with yourself. Finding your artistic voice. Freedom without pressure, because you can show up without expectations. And that's when creativity feels light again. Confidence through repetition, not perfection. The more I practiced, the more natural my brushstrokes became. I built a deeper relationship with my brushes. Each one has its own personality, Once you get to know them, they become your friends. I found time to connect with myself. Those quiet minutes felt like moving meditation. And most of all, I found my own voice, my colors, my shapes, my rhythm became me. Finally. Maybe you are where I was, inspired by everyone else's work, but unsure how to start finding your way. If that's you, I want to invite you to try my brush practice sheets. They are designed to help you slow down, explore freely, and reconnect with your own rhythm, without pressure, without rules. And if you are craving a little extra guidance, if you want someone to walk beside you as you take those first creative steps, I'd love for you to join my class and start making art on day 1. It's a beginner-friendly class designed to help you let go of fear, get to know your materials, and start creating with freedom, even if you've never painted before. It's like a fresh start for your creativity, calm, joyful, and full of color. Thank you for letting me share this story with you today. If you ever felt lost in your creative journey, remember, you're not alone. Every artist's voice takes time to bloom, and it begins quietly in the space between you and your brush. Take a deep breath, pick up your brush, and just start. And if you want to know a little more about the benefits of the brush practice sheets for your watercolor journey, watch this video. I know you will love to have them. Download them today for free. I'm so happy you're here. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep playing.